Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you the application Ember from Realmac software. Let's go ahead and open it up, and let's bring it full screen. And as you can see, there's not a ton in here, but I wanted to show you it nice and clean for the demo. And what you see here is a bunch of different photos. Now, what this application does is allows you to screen capture and organize your different photos and write on them and take notes, and there's a lot more built into it. So let's show you what it can do. So here we have on the left menu here, we have everything sorted by colors, which it does by itself, recently added. We have screen. There's nothing in here, but there's a lot of different ways to add different photos to Ember. So you can see screen, web, photo, tablet, phone, text, video, bookmark, GIF, or GIF, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Anyway, if we go back to everything, you can see we have these different applications. Now, if I go to this one, we have information on the right here, and we can clear this by hitting this little icon here. And you can see that we got this from my website. It says web, but we can change that, but that's where we got it from. And then I wrote a couple different tags in there, said Zollotech, writing blue, and screen protector maybe. And we can put any tags we want that will better help us organize. We can also rate the image. It tells us where we got it from and takes some of the information from the website. So that organizes that. Now we can do a couple different things with this. Maybe we want to put this in a group. We can do that down here. You can see we can put it in a collection, a smart collection, or a folder. And we can also manage the different tags or sort by tags. So it's really nice and easy to organize. Now, maybe we have a couple other things we want to do. We can go into maybe this photo, and you can see we haven't changed the name of this yet. So let's go ahead and change the name. It's the Nexus 6, and we can throw the Nexus tag on it. And maybe we could describe it as the Nexus 6 phone with a case on it. We can get as descriptive or not as descriptive as we want. Maybe we'll rate it a 3. It tells us the dimensions, how big it is, when it was taken, and on and on and on. Now let's go ahead and open this up. And up here we have a bunch of different tools. So we have your normal arrow tool, your hand tool to move it around. We can zoom, we can crop, rotate. We can also pixelate or blur. So this is nice. Maybe we want to blur out this logo here or pixelate it. We can do that. It doesn't really show too much there, but let's go back and maybe blur it out this time. You can see it's blurred, and it's just blurred out like that. It's a lot easier to blur out something like this, and you can see it kind of blurred it. But with faces and things, it's great. And then here we can add text. We can also do a freehand drawing, and we have smart drawing. So maybe we want to put a box right here. It creates a box. Maybe we want an arrow pointing to Nexus. It will make an arrow. So it's really nice. We go back to the selection tool and select the box. We can move it around, move our arrow around. And it's a little bit harder to do, but we can move it around, and that's pretty much it. So let's get rid of those. And then we can change the color, of course. So that's pretty simple. Now, once we've got this where we want it, we can create a new document. We don't want to do that, or a new note. But what we want to do is we can either share it or export it, or we could snap something else. So let's go ahead and share it, and then we could airdrop it to another Apple device or any of your favorite different things. One of the nice things Ember does is it syncs with Dropbox. So if you have a Dropbox account and you want to dump photos in here and keep it synced, it will do that for you. So let's go back to our library, and you can see all the different things here. But maybe we want to go check out some other photos from different websites or different subscriptions we have. So if we click on subscriptions, we have everything, iOS icon gallery, and 500 pixel editor's choice. So if we go into here, here's just some different subscriptions we might have of different images. Those were just suggestions made by the application. You can go ahead and hit Need Inspiration. You can put in any RSS or Atom feed, and it will show you some different interesting photos. Now this is from 500 pixels, not my photos, so I can't really use them in day-to-day use, but they're there to give me inspiration, so that's nice. One of the other things is it has a built-in browser, so maybe we want to snap something from a website. We'll go to zollotech.com. We'll go to my website, and maybe if we scroll down, Let's find a photo we like. I like this photo right here. Maybe we want to snap just the area or the full screen. So let's snap the area. And you can see as I move the mouse, it highlights over different areas. So maybe I want this image. It highlights the image. I click snap, and it dumps it into my library. So if I go back to my library, you can see there's the image. So again, it's tagged similarly, and it says where it got it from. But in this time it's actually ProClip. So that's nice. We could keep tagging it, and that's pretty much it. That's basically what this application is for. It allows you to capture and draw and color, snap websites, organize, and basically really keep everything focused and let you know where everything is located. So it's really great, especially if you're looking for different colors in different things when you're creating. It's very helpful that way if you want to get things to match. So that's basically what Ember is all about. It's about $50 new. And if you already have Little Snapper, which is one of their previous applications, they've got an upgrade fee of $30 for this application. So it makes it really nice, not too expensive. And it's definitely worth supporting small software companies like Realmac software. They do have a few other different products as well. They have Clear, Ember, Rapid Weaver, Typed, and Deep Dreamer. So those are different applications, and I'll leave a link to them in the description below. If you've used Ember or you have a different solution, let us know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.